Hello everyone, welcome to Statistics and Coding channel. I am Ammaha and I am excited to launch this educational platform dedicated to Python, R and data science, empowering learners with the essential tools for analysis, visualization and problem solving. With my background in statistics, mathematics and computer science, I bring expertise in data manipulation, statistical modeling, and machine learning. All this driven by the power of Python and R. As we know, nowadays, these two languages serve as the backbone of modern data science, offering flexibility, efficiency, and depth of tackling real-world challenges. Our journey with this channel begins with the fundamentals of Python, covering core syntax, data structures, and control flow to build a solid programming foundation. Simultaneously, we'll explore R, renewed for its statistical capabilities, enabling precise data analysis and visualization. As we progress, we will proceed into more specialized domain, diving into data cleaning, exploratory analysis, advanced visualization, predictive modeling, and automation. This all ensures that you will develop practical, hands-on skills for working with data. This channel is designed for beginners, students, and professionals alike, whether you are starting fresh or refining your expertise. So structured tutorials, step-by-step guides, and real-world applications. My goal is to make learning engaging, accessible, and impactful. Most importantly, this will be an interactive learning experience. Therefore, your questions, comments, and contributions will help shape the content we explore together. Thus, if you are ready to master Python and R for data science, subscribe now and activate the notification bell not to miss the important video series. Join the statistics and coding community and let's turn raw data into knowledge. I look forward to learning, building, and growing together. Hopefully, our journey will be Pythonic. See you in the first tutorial.